monumental because I am on my wife's paddle board right now, and I promised her I'd never surf it, but I kind of broke my board. I'm kind of in between new boards right now, not really in the budget. Life has kind of been lifing, and I've literally hardly ever supped this thing, even flat water, so I'm gonna try to get away right now. I'm getting blown like crazy. Oh, my shoulder just popped out of socket. Ah, not again. I got an unstable shoulder joint right now. Really gotta be careful. I just about ripped that sucker. Oh, can't be leaning over like that, bro. That guy's getting me stoked. That guy's keeping me too stoked to leave. Dang. I gotta get more on the tube. Woo.